It's heavy. Alright, here's all the things. You got the main jack, you got the wheels here, you got the handles, you got the nuts to hold the wheels on, you got the extender, and the pin that holds the extension together. Then, I'm not sure what that is yet. It's like a strap ring storage saddle extension. Okay, so you can hang it all, put it all together. This goes here. Putting little 2 screws down in here. Alright. Looks like put these in. Put these together. Drop that in there. This we already put on. This is going to set in just like so. This lines up into here, screws into there, keeps it tight. This will keep that tight. These can do whatever, I guess. And then, take this little spacer out. This guy will go in here, snap in. So, there we go. I guess I should have probably taken that out first. There it is. He works. So, new discovery. There is a Allen wrench, a big giant Allen wrench right there. Looks like comes out for this. Line these 2 holes up here, they're diagonal. These go into there, like so, locked in, and this is to tighten those down.